So, ayan. Yes. Good morning, everyone. Always morning talaga. When it comes to business, always morning. Wala pong hapon, wala hapon. So, yeah. So, welcome guys to my Rosaline Vlogs. Welcome to Rosaline's Vlog. So, ipag-call ko po kayo ngayon today dito sa aking lugar, dito sa yun, sa aking place where I am now. Because I want to feel the ambience of the natural air. I don't want easy, hindi ko ng aircon, gusto ko fresh air. So, ayan, fresh air na at the same time, nagtutour na rin tayo sa buong mundo. So, ayan na po guys, yung airplane, yung aking sasakyan today. So, yeah. So, just enjoy, keep on watching on my vlog. Ay, ko tayo. Nag-iisa lang po talaga ako as in searching for companion. Tara, yala. Let's go travel.